Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best sewing machines in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best sewing machines that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Singer Start 1304 sewing machine. Advanced sewing machines may seem a bit intimidating if you're just learning how to sew. Instead, you may want to consider a simple option, such as the Singer Start 1304, a no-frills model that will help you master the basics before moving on to more complex sewing techniques. The Singer Start has just 6 basic stitches and a 4-step buttonhole process. Threading diagrams are printed right on the machine, saving you from having to dig out the instructions every time, and this sewing machine also includes 3 basic presser feet to get you started. According to reviewers, this is an excellent budget-friendly machine for novice sewers or anyone who only needs to do small projects now and then. Moving on at number 4. We have the Singer Stylist 7258 100-stitch computerized sewing machine. Dozens of reviewers talk about how excited they are about the 76 decorative, customizable stitches offered by this automated, affordable, solid yet portable Singer. As one user writes, "To my surprise, I'm enjoying the patterned decorative stitches and have used them more than expected." Another points out that the built-in handle makes this easy to take along for events or for a crafting get-together. But it's also sure enough to earn its place at home. One reviewer says it is designed and built well. Solid, heavy, because the gears and important operating parts are metal, not nylon or plastic. The Singer 7258 can even sew beyond expectations. One admitted novice writes, "After being forewarned by these ladies at Joann Fabrics that most machines can't do patches, I tried anyway and was blown away. I did 5 patches for my brother, and fixed another thicker one that was glued on months ago." At number 3, we have the Brother CS6000i sewing and quilting machine. The oversized table attachment is designed for quilting and other larger projects. There are also 8 quilting feet to choose from. There are 60 stitches to choose from on the LCD screen, including 7 buttonholes. You can store your CS6000i in the included hard protective case. Brother backs the quality of this unit with a 25-year limited warranty. On the sewing blogs, Grandma Likes to Sew recommends this unit as one of the best values for your money. The reviewer noted that the auto-threading, pedal-free sewing, and speed control were easy enough for beginners to use. Sewing from Home suggests buying the CS6000i for quilting projects because the foot holder quilt guide, wide table, and the spring action quilting foot all lent themselves well to quilting projects. Many buyers were impressed with the number of stitch options they get with such an affordable machine. Another popular feature is the effortless threading of the bobbin and needle. At number 2, we have the Brother Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine. This Brother model is an excellent computerized sewing machine that will also allow you to quilt and embroider, with an easy-to-use computer with 185 built-in stitches and 8 styles of auto-size buttonholes to make your usage of this machine even easier. This model also includes an auto needle threader to get you started more quickly and includes an instructional DVD in the box to help give you an idea of where to start. This model includes an LCD screen where you can easily choose the stitch you want to use and has 8 feet that you can use for different options when you are using this machine. This model is portable due to it being extremely lightweight, which is great if you don't have a fixed workspace where you use the machine. We liked how easy this sewing machine was to use. With a computerized machine they can get complicated and become more difficult to use, but this Brother model avoids this issue and remains straightforward to use. And finally at number 1, we have the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 sewing machine. If you're a master crafter, you may want hundreds of stitches to choose from, and in that case, you should consider the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. This computerized sewing machine comes with a whopping 600 stitches, as well as 5 fonts, allowing you to customize projects in any way you can imagine. This Singer sewing machine has all the helpful features you'd expect, including a built-in needle threader, easy load bobbin system, and one-touch stitch selection. It even comes with an extension table that provides a larger working area. It comes with 600 stitches, including basic, decorative, and stretch stitches, as well as 13 buttonhole styles. Plus, you'll receive 18 presser feet and a variety of other accessories, like a seam ripper, lint brush, quilting bar, and more. The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 can be used for a wide range of applications, making it an ideal choice for more advanced sewers. Reviewers say it's quite sturdy and runs smoothly, and many love that the extension table gives you a larger work area. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.